Hey, love, if you are having a hard time creating a cycle of healthy relationships in your life, I want you to listen to this. A lot of times, and I've seen this in so many clients and in my own patterns, we want to have this beautiful, magnificent love. We try to create this conscious partner to have this beautiful relationship, and we keep getting met with the same emotional unavailability, trauma, abuse, whatever it may be. It keeps showing up in our lives again and again. And a lot of times, what people don't realize is it's because their inner child has learned that that is what love looks like. If you keep attracting emotionally unavailable men or women, maybe your inner child only got love from an unemotionally available parent. If you keep attracting pain and abuse, it's because your inner child from a young age learned that love is pain and abuse. And so it's not by trying to strive or change our current selves to attract the right partner. It's by going in and reparenting that inner child, teaching him, her, or them what healthy love looks like, what emotional availability feels like, what safety feels like. It's when we can reparent that inner part of ourselves that we can change the trajectory of our future. Yes, our current selves know these things. Our inner child is the one that needs us. Breathe deep, plan on miracles. Let me know if this helps.